Latest that we're getting as far as that Air India flight 171 that crashed in Ahmedabad is concerned. A formal probe has now currently started into the devastating Air India crash that killed more than 240 people, with a specialized investigation team deployed to examine every detail of the tragedy. Sources say that the focus is on possible technical failures during takeoff, specifically the aircraft's engine thrust, flap setting and the landing gear. Within 28 hours of the crash, salvage teams scouring the debris of the flight AI-171 on Friday recovered the black box of the Air India 787 Boeing Dreamliner. The black box, which includes the flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder, will be crucial in helping investigators understand the final moments of the flight. Investigators and rescue teams continue searching the site to determine exactly what went wrong in the last horrific 30 seconds.
It's the third day of the unfortunate accident of Air India plane crash on these buildings. You can see the buildings blackened by the blast, the fireball that emanated out from the aeroplane when it crashed over here. And today, if you see the scene outside these buildings, outside the site, it is quiet as of now, not much of the hustle bustle as it was yesterday, with investigation agencies, Gujarat Police, NDRF, SDRF, CISF, everybody was here. But today we can see that it is a little silent as compared to yesterday. But we are hearing that, and we are waiting for the NDRF teams to come. Although they must have completed most of their work, but for cross-checking what they have done and to see nothing is left inside, they will be coming today as well. Many remains of the bodies of the victims were taken from this site to the civil hospital Ahmedabad yesterday, where postmortems are being done and DNA samples from these bodies are being collected. And we are also hearing that at this site of crash today, investigation teams have already arrived of DGCA, and a few other teams have arrived. The investigation on the site is going on as of now, and at the hospital site, with the relatives of the victims are still waiting to get bodies of their loved ones. Until yesterday, we could hear that samples were being collected from the relatives, from the bodies of the victims, and DNA sampling and matching of those DNA, the entire process was going on. It was said yesterday that soon the DNA sampling will be finished, but we could see until late evening people were waiting for bodies and DNA sampling as well. So primary task today should be, and it will be definitely, that bodies are handed over to the relatives of the victims as soon as possible, and that would be a great relief after this tragic incident, which has left the relatives, the families of the victims in pain.
And a high-level multidisciplinary committee chaired by Union Home Minister has also been formed to analyze the cause and recommend new safety protocols. Now, while this panel will not replace other official investigations, it is expected to play a key role in shaping future aviation standards. Meanwhile, Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is chairing a high-level air safety meeting joined by senior officials from DGCA, Airports Authority of India and other top ministry leaders. India's aviation regulator has also ordered mandatory safety checks on all Boeing 787, the 8 and 9 fleet of aircraft in Air India as well as other airlines. These include takeoff parameters, verification before every flight starting midnight tonight, enhanced in-transit control inspections and engine power tests within the next 2 weeks. All right, and as the investigation continues, eyewitnesses and residents recall the horrifying moment Air India plane crashed and how they were saved by just a fraction of a second. Take a look.
I'm just 100 meters away from this place, and you can 100 meters away you can see the wreckage of the plane that unfortunately crashed onto the building of that medical college, and below the aeroplane where the plane has crashed and below this tail is the mess of the building where people were eating. And just 100 meters away, just after this vacant patch of land, is this highly populated area, and we have the residents of the area, and they just skipped this accident by 1 or 2 or maximum 5 seconds, and they were saved. आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम विष्णु भाई है।
विष्णु भाई, एरिया कितना है ये क्या है इस एरिया का नाम?
ये एरिया का नाम मेघानी नगर है और जस्ट उसको टच करके ये एसआरपी कैंप बोलते हैं उसको, कैंटोनमेंट।
क्या देखा कल, कहाँ थे आप?
कल मैं जॉब पे था और मेरे घर से फ़ोन आया कि फटाफट इधर आ जाओ घर पे, और ये हादसा हुआ है। जस्ट मैं घर जॉब से वापस घर पे आया, देखा तो यहाँ अफरा तफरी मची हुई थी और सब भाग दौड़ हो रही थी, और सबने यहाँ सब देखे तो कोई चिल्ला रहा है, कोई बचाओ, कोई उसको बचाओ, कोई इसको बचाओ। हमें और मेरी फैमिली को लेके सब, और नीचे खुले गार्डन है, गार्डन में मैं फिर चला गया।
यहाँ से फिर आप सीधे वहाँ चले गए? और
नहीं, मैं मेरी फैमिली लेके सब नीचे चला गया मैं। हाँ, मेरे
कौन से फ्लोर पे रहते हो इस बिल्डिंग में?
ये वाला सब बैठे, वो नीचे वाला मकान मेरा है।
इसके नीचे वाला?
इसके नीचे।
और सबसे नज़दीक है ये आपकी बिल्डिंग?
हाँ सर, मैं ये नीचे वाला।
अच्छा, आपका मकान ये वाला जहाँ पर हम खड़े हैं, ये सबसे नज़दीक बिल्कुल सामने दिख रहा है एरोप्लेन, एंड इनका घर यहाँ पे नीचे है। बताइए, क्या आप कहाँ थे
उस वक्त? मैं गार्डन में था, गार्डन में बैठा हुआ था। गार्डन से मेरे को ऐसा लगा ना हंसता हुआ, तो मैं दौड़ के तुरंत चला आया यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे आने के बाद मैं अंदर गया, घर पे पहले देखा, इसके बाद अंदर गए तो अंदर देखा तो बहुत बड़ा हादसा, और सब ब्लास्टिंग ज़्यादा हो रहे थे। एलपीजी सिलेंडर जो मेडिकल लॉजिस है ना, इसके अंदर ब्लास्टिंग भी ज़्यादा हो रहे थे गैस सिलेंडर का। वो ब्लास्टिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हुआ तो ऊपर हम चले गए। ऊपर चले गए ना तो लगेज का पूरा सामान था, लगेज के नीचे सब बंदे लोग सब दबे, मुसाफिर दबे हुए थे, तो उन लोग को हमने बाहर निकाला।
Flight coming and it is taking off, and if you'll see the route of the flight, it is exactly over the plane that has crashed. You can see the altitude of that flight, and for this flight that crashed, it gained altitude of around 600 feet and then suddenly started coming down. What were the reasons? That is for the investigation teams to find out, and you can already see the investigation teams over there. They are conducting investigations and trying to come to a conclusion what exactly happened. They are collecting a few samples, evidences, and trying to find out what has exactly led to the crashing of this aeroplane. From this place as of now, these are the people who just were saved by a second or two. This is the closest location to the place, closest populated location to the place where the plane has crashed, just 100 meters from here.